everyone. Well, today we're going to make lunch. It's chicken tacos. The other night we had grilled chicken and I had 3 pieces left and I thought this is the day to use it. So we're going to make chicken tacos. Maybe a little different, not necessarily. These are corn well, I guess you call them corn tortillas. I just call them corn tacos. This is my favorite. And a pan only has room for 6. I just put a little oil on them. And put them in the oven for just a second while we get our chicken ready. And it really doesn't take very long to make them. I tell you, tacos, any kind of tacos in my house, everybody loves them. Sometimes we have 15 people eating tacos. So you can imagine how much meat I fix sometimes. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven just to get them warm so we can melt some stuff. Okay, now here's our chicken. And by accident, I wasn't at Walmart by accident. I accidentally saw this at Walmart. It's chicken taco mix. I haven't used it before, but I think I'll put a little bit in our chicken. Couldn't hurt, could it? Stir it up a little bit. Grate a little bit of, I've got mozzarella cheese there, but I love this, the grated one. I guess it's my favorite because I know for sure it's real cheese when you do this. And on top of ours, we always use lettuce. A lot of people like cabbage. So when you get through, just take the one you like, either cabbage or lettuce for your toppings. Okay. And I have salsa for our chicken, to put in our chicken. I use about a cup. It's just to moisten it. Good. And to that, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cumin. This is a 4, so I'm going to put 2 of them. Same thing with salt and pepper, except I only use a 1/4 with salt. Pepper. And salt. Now I'm going to stir this up and I'll put it in a pan and get it hot. It just goes on the taco better if it's hot. So we'll get that hot. And we're coming down to our tacos. I don't much like to go out and eat tacos because when they make the chicken tacos, which is my grandchildren's favorite, they bring them out and the chicken's cold and it's just plain chicken. And I do like to have a little bit of sauce on the chicken, so chicken tacos are not my favorite to eat out. Get my this to melt a bit. Could have had a little bit more, I think. That will settle. Okay. I'll let this layer of cheese melt. Let's see. Yes. Okay. A little bit of chicken, or a whole lot. And we'll put a little bit more of the salsa on it just to make it more moist. That looks good. But it's solid. And what would the world be without lettuce? Okay. Now we'll put some more taco cheese. It's good and hot. That's cheese and melt with the other. Lettuce. Oh, well, gee, that looks good. Now you can put it back, you can put it in the oven before you put your lettuce if you want to, but we like it soft. Let me taste one. This is very good because when I put the salsa on the stove, that made that chicken moist. And most of the time chicken is cold and it's not very moist, but that was the way to do it. I had not done that before, but someone told me to do that, and that really did make a difference. It probably needs a little bit more salt though. Well, that was a little video on tacos, chicken tacos. I hope you try them because they are good, and be sure to put the your salsa in the chicken. It just makes it so delicious and moist. Have a good day. It's a pretty day here. Hope you have a pretty day, and if you're not doing anything, run by and we'll have lunch. Bye. Remember the drawer this week.